back, everybody. We are camping in Lancaster, PA this weekend, and it is a rainy day right now. So we figured we'd check out something really cool about only 20 minutes away from us called the Strasburg Railroad Museum. So as you can tell, one of the coolest things about this museum, it is actual locomotives inside a covered building, and you can walk around and look at them. They have lots of really cool information, and you can check out all these different locomotives from many different years, many different styles and types. They got everything from steamers to diesels to electrics, and even got some fun, interesting ones that you won't see pretty much anywhere else. You can go inside of them, and there's workers that are around kind of giving educational updates on them, and we really love coming to this. This is not the first time we've come here. It's a nice cheap alternative when it's cold or rainy outside to come in and kind of look around at the trains and all the different vehicles that they have here too. We really like it here, and it's something interesting. They also do train rides out of here on the other side of the property that they have. Jacob was just here enjoying a Thomas the Train Engine ride, but they also do different excursions coming out of here. Right now they have a fall excursion going, and you can ride the train out and it drops you off at a pumpkin patch. This is a really cool place. This is in Strasburg, PA, and you can check it out. I'll put some links in the description, and check it out yourself. But let's walk around, let's look at some cool stuff, and maybe learn something or two. I think this is one of the coolest points they have. You get to go down and actually get underneath the rail with a locomotive sitting on top. Look at this beautiful old steamer here. And you can get underneath it and see exactly what it looks like from underneath. And they have points of interest on there, and they teach you about a lot of different things underneath. And they show you the same points of interest here that they're showing you from under there, but that's so cool. Are you guys learning how things work?
Yeah, this one's the best.
That one's the best?
Because when it slides over the corner, it's off the side, keeping it on as it turns it, and then it goes back to normal.
But the thinner ones don't?
This one just completely slides off when it goes down.
Huh.
And that one, it can make it, but it slows it down a lot.
Interesting. They're the cool little hands-on exhibits they have. Oh, you can be a coal tender. See how exciting it is to put coal into the train. But I like just looking around, checking out all the different locomotive types that they have. Some of them are replicas, some of them are refurbishments. And they give you all the information on these little placards on what's going on and what it looks like in front of you. So one thing you can do is go out to the train yard. Right now it is closed because of the inclement weather. As you drive in, you'll see all the different trains that they're in process of refurbishing. and other ones that they have refurbished and just stay out in the yard. But this is the train yard out here. This is also part of what you can walk around and look at with your ticket into the museum. We're gonna go check out Stewart Junction. Looks like it's a kids play place, and this looks really cool. Oh no, it's all model trains. There was a really cool model train display. And we're gonna come in here and look at this. This is part of Stewart Junction. Oh, this is really cool too. It's a Lego display. That's really cool. Lots of cool fun stuff for the kids to play with. They can actually get the trains to move around. They got click boxes there that you can get the trains to move. The Lego display was really cool. I like that a lot. I love how to make it look like the old-time storefronts right up against the rail lines. This is really cool as you come in. They put a lot of time and effort and thought into this. You even got a hotel and bar. Some good looking beer in there. Some of the trains, they have steps that you can walk up to. And like this car, they want to show you what it would be like in a dining car. So they have it all set up for you. So you can see exactly what it would look like in a dining car when they were being used. And some of the train cars you can actually go in. Let's see what's in this Delaware and Hudson car. Oh, it smells like old wood. This is cool.
Some of the stuff I know what it is. And this is the...
That's an instruction card. That's the one we were just in. It's like a training vehicle. It's pretty cool. Traveling classroom, they call it. So now we're upstairs. What do you think, Jake? It's really cool if you're in it.
Very scary.
Very scary. I don't think so. I like this view a lot. that's going to be it for us here at the Pennsylvania Railroad Museum in Strasburg, PA. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and make your way out to check out this really cool railroad museum. Jacob's going to go and play some Legos now, and I'm going to sit down and just enjoy the sights and sounds of the museum. Please make sure you like and subscribe. We're at 800 subscribers now. Let's keep that going and keep driving it up. If you like any of our other videos, I'll put some links in the descriptions below, and I'll put links to the museum in the descriptions below too. And we'll see you next time. Bye.